Welcome to AI Local Expert. AI Local Expert lets you create animated AI avatars as local business experts from a single photo. With AI Local Expert, you will get 30 plus ready-made niche experts, or you can train your custom ones using business website data. You can also find ideal client businesses worldwide with website URLs and contact information. You can also fully customize these AI experts as per the brand and embed them seamlessly on any website. So in this video, we are going to find a business and create a AI expert for them. And we are also going to create a AI avatar for that business. Using AI Local Expert is very easy. The first step is to create an AI avatar using a single photo. Let's see how that works. You can upload a single image of any person of whom you want to create a AI avatar. So I'm going to select the image of Todd. And in the prompt field, we can enter the kind of photo we need. But you don't need to enter the prompts manually. We have done for you prompts, and these prompts range from various local niches. So let me show you how that works. So here you can see these are ready-made prompts for you. So you can turn this Todd's image into all these experts. So for this video, we are going to select bakery expert. And we can also further edit this prompt if you want. Now in this case, we know that Todd wears glasses. So let's add wearing glasses into our prompt and let's click on generate avatar. And our avatar is ready. So let's see how it looks. And this is the avatar that it created. Now, once the avatar is created, you can also create more avatars for other clients or yourself in various local attires. And once you are done with this step, it's time to create our first chatbot. So let's head over to projects and let's click on create new chatbot. So this is the first step of creating the chatbot. Here we need to choose an expert for which we are creating this chatbot. So these experts are pre-trained with the knowledge of their specific industry. So restaurant expert knows more about restaurant business and anything related to food. So you can actually ask the restaurant expert about a specific recipe. We have all these experts that you can choose from. There's a plumbing expert, a dental expert, a spa expert, salon expert, gym expert, yoga expert, hardware store expert, and we have all these experts that you can choose from. So let's choose a bakery expert. So this expert will know common questions of bakery such as how to make bread and so on. So let's choose bakery expert and go to the next step. You can also choose none if you don't want any expert and if you just want a standard AI expert. On this step, we have to choose an avatar for our AI expert. Now, we can upload an avatar. So if you have a photo that you want to convert into animation and use it in your AI expert, you can do that. But the avatar that we already created in our AI avatars creator tab are also shown here. So we can choose from those and they are optimized perfectly for the AI expert. So let's choose the Todd's image that we created and let's go to the next step. Now, this is where you can actually find a business or enter the website URL if you already know the website. So in this case, let's try to find a bakery for which we can create this AI expert. This business finder will let you find businesses with a keyword and location. So let's type bakery in New York. Let's search. Now these are all the businesses that AI Local Expert was able to find for us. Now you can see the reviews for these businesses, their address and also their website URL. So we can actually go to their website and see the website before we choose to create a chatbot for them. So this looks good. So let's go back and let's select this specific business. And now the website is already pre-filled for us. Here on this step, we can also include or exclude specific URLs if we want them or if we don't want them. Right now, I'm just going to keep it blank. And now let's just start grabbing the information from the website to create this AI expert. So our app was able to grab all these pages, and you can review all the information that was collected from these pages from here. Once you are satisfied, or you can also include or exclude some URLs from here, and once you are satisfied, you can just go ahead and click on create chatbot to create your AI expert. Now this information is basically sent to OpenAI to create a AI model of this data that we trained it on. And now our chatbot is ready, and here you can start interacting with it if you want, or you can also start customizing it. So let me show you how all of this works. The first step is to add more information to your chatbot if it was not available on your website. So if there is any additional information that you want to add to your chatbot, you can do it from Train Custom Data tab. So let me show you how this works. So let's ask a question to a chatbot and see what it responds with. So I'm going to ask, how can I order custom cake from your bakery? And let's see what it responds with. So here the AI expert is asking us to visit the bakery in person to place the order for custom cake. So let's see how we can modify this response. So let's go to Train Custom Data, click on Add Data, and here we are going to enter the question and the answer. So the answer is you can order custom cake by sending your order details to our email, and let's click Save. And let's refresh the page just to make sure that it's in there. And now let's ask that question one more time. And you can see now the response is modified, and now it's asking users to send an email for the custom cake order. So this is how you can add more information to your expert and make it really accurate. And the next tab we have is chat sessions. Now this is where you can see all the chat history of your visitors, and then you can monitor this to see what kind of responses your chatbot is giving to your visitors and train additional data depending on the answers. The next and very important feature that we have is offline messages. Now, if there are any complex queries that user has which a AI expert is not able to handle, you can let visitors send an offline message. Let me show you how this works. In this chat box, you can see there is an offline message tab here. This is where user can enter their details and a message. Once they do that, you will be able to see the offline message in your offline messages tab here. So all the offline messages will be here with the email ID of the visitors, so you or your staff can follow up with them. The next tab we have is customize. This is where you can customize your AI expert as per your client or your website's branding. Here you can change the welcome message or add sample questions. So the sample questions are predefined questions, so your users can get started right away. Let me show you how this works. So here in AI expert, you can see there is contact and book appointment. When I click on it, it is going to add the question to the box so that user is ready to ask these questions. So you can add as many sample questions as you want to make things easy for your visitors. Next thing is you can also change the appearance of your AI expert with the colors and the position of the AI expert. Next, you can also enable or disable offline messages. You can do that from here, and you can also show read more links to your visitors. So whenever a chatbot responds with an answer, it will also show them a link of your website on which it found that answer. So the visitors can go to that link and learn more about that specific question. You can also change the avatar if you like from this tab. So you can, if you create new avatars in the future, all of them will be shown here, and then you can choose that, and also you can generate an animation for your avatar. So let's go ahead and generate an animation for this specific avatar that we have. Alright, you can see now the avatar is created, and now our avatar is blinking and animating a bit so that it looks more lively. Now, once we are done with all the settings, we can actually go ahead and add this chatbot onto a website. So you can copy and paste this embed code into any website and it should show up. Now I want to show you another exciting feature of AI Local Expert. So let's go back to dashboard. And here you can see the list of all the chatbots that we have created. Now we have found a business and we have created an AI expert for them. Now let's try and find their contact information so that we can contact them and pitch them this AI expert. So let's click on these three dots and let's click on show contact information. And this is where it's going to fetch all the contact information of this business and show it to us. So here you can see that we have their LinkedIn profile, we have the emails that they have, we have the phone number, the address, and everything you need to get your foot in the door so that you can start showcasing their experts to these businesses and close the deal. So that was a quick overview of how AI Local Expert works. Thank you for watching.